Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video we will discuss about laws of air, which also includes the registration and cancellation of commercial aircraft. First of all, what is aircraft? Any vehicle with or without engines that can carry goods, passengers such as planes or helicopters. Airship. It is a large aircraft without wing used in past that has a large bag filled with gas and it is lighter than air. Glider is an aircraft that has long wings and no engine and flies by gliding. Aeroplane, a vehicle designed for an air travel that has wings and one or more engines. Rotorcraft, a rotatory wing aircraft such as helicopter. Ornithopter is a machine designed to achieve flight by the means of flapping wings. All these you can see in the pictures. First is airship, second is gliders which fly by gliding, third is aeroplane, fourth is helicopter, and the last one is ornithopter. Aircraft divided into two categories, lighter than air and heavier than air. They are further classified as non-powered and powered. Lighter than air non-powered includes balloon and lighter than air powered includes airship. Heavier than air non-powered include glider and heavier than air powered includes aeroplane, rotorcraft, ornithopter. Registration of an aircraft. The Director General maintains a register which called Pakistan Aircraft Register, and it is in such form as Director General may define. The time of inspection and condition to register the aircraft may be specified by the Director General. Unregistered aircraft. An aircraft shall not be fly in Pakistan unless it has been registered in Pakistan Aircraft Registry. If there is any changes in the certificate of registration, the holder shall notify the Director General within 14 days. Any transfer of ownership of an aircraft registered in Pakistan shall be notified to the Director General by the person who acquired ownership within 14 days. If any person acquired interest an aircraft registered in Pakistan under a hire purchase or leasing agreement shall notify Director General within 14 days. There should not be any changes in the ownership of an aircraft, nor leased outside the Pakistan, and not transferred to any person without the written permission of Director General. Aircraft not eligible for registration. If the aircraft is not intended for use as flying machine, shall not be eligible for the inclusion in Pakistan Aircraft Register. Registration of an aircraft shall be cancelled if the aircraft suffers destruction, if it is permanently withdrawn for use, if it is transferred to the aircraft register of another state. The certificate will be cancelled in each case and it is the duty of owner to forward to the Director General. The holder of certificate of register shall be apply any time for the cancellation of registration of an aircraft to the Director General. Aircraft not to have dual registration. An aircraft registered in Pakistan shall not the same time be registered in another state. Aircraft to carry certificate of registration. The certificate of registration issued by the Director General in respect of an aircraft registered in Pakistan shall be carried in that aircraft all the time.